Mapei's new website and app feature all the useful tools that you've come to rely on, as well as powerful new enhancements. Mapei's newly enhanced Tools for Architects section will help architectural design professionals find everything needed to specify the right products for their projects. Downloadable tools include System Solutions brochures. Find the system solutions for a variety of projects, including technical data sheets, safety data sheets, and sustainability documentation for a wide variety of projects. 3-part guide specifications, including industry-approved specifications for tile and stone installation systems, floor covering installation systems, and waterproofing systems. Mapei's full grout caulk color palettes. Rialta Mapei North America and Rialta International magazines to help you stay up to date with the latest news from the world of Mapei. Green building standards, EPDs, MIs, and other environmental compliance documentation via a link to health and environment pages. The Tools for Architects section also links to the Projects reference section, which highlights projects from North America and around the world. These projects underscore the fact that for more than 80 years, Mapei has provided thousands of lasting solutions. The link to the CAD spec guide enables users to access industry-approved methods for ceramic, glass, and stone tile installations that include a corresponding CSI 3-part specification. Final specification packages can be customized to bundle CAD and specification, AutoCAD DWG file, and technical data sheets for Mapei products listed in the CAD and specification. The Tools for Architects section also provides links to ARCAT and Master Spec, as well as Mapei's own Spec Maestro interactive specification writing tool. Mapei's architectural education program offers quality AIA-registered training modules centered around system solutions that let architects earn continuing education units in their own offices. Finally, you'll find a link to Mapei's best-in-class product and system warranties. The Tools for Architects section on Mapei's website and app supports architectural design professionals with practical, comprehensive resources. Discover the online power of Mapei.